Yes. So we are just relate that intelligence and decision making process. Okay. So in the decision making process, we see that we need the information, different kind of information and other things. So based on that, we are going to take the decision. So now the term came artificial intelligence. When a machine possesses the ability to mimic human traits, okay, machine will take the decision, predict the future, learn and improve on its own. It is said to have artificial intelligence. Okay, so whenever the machine will possesses the ability to mimic the human traits, how the human is experiencing, how the human is learning, how the human is doing all the things, same thing will be experienced by the machine. That is called artificial intelligence. The machine will be working like the human, act like the human being. Okay, that is called what artificial intelligence is. How do machines become artificially intelligent? How the machine become artificial intelligence so that it will be responded properly based on the information or based on the properties. So machines also become intelligent once they're trained with some information that helps them to achieve their tasks. Okay, so how they'll be trained based on the information they got for their particular tasks. AI machines also keep updating their knowledge to optimize their output. Okay, so AI machines, what they're doing, they're updating their knowledge to optimize their output. Okay, that machines also need to be updated for getting the newer version, newer information, all the things. So they have given one example in NITI Aayog. AI refers to the ability of machine to perform the cognitive tasks like thinking, perceiving, learning, problem solving, and decision making. Okay, so AI can do this type of work also, cognitive tasks. Cognitive means knowledge. Okay, so they can think, they can perceive the information, they can learn, they can solve the problem, they can take the decision. That is the thing of AI and how the machine become intelligent, artificial intelligence. Then World Economic Forum, they have given an example. AI is the software engine. Means NITI have given the definition for the artificial intelligence, and the World Economic Forum also given one definition for this. So AI is a software engine that drives the fourth industrial revolution. Its impact can already be seen in homes, business, and political processes in its embodied form of robots. It will soon drive in the cars, stocking the warehouses, and caring for the young and elderly. Okay, so according to World Economic Forum, the AI is a software engine that drives the fourth industrial revolution. Okay, that will be compete with the this revolution, current revolution. Its impact can already be seen in homes. You can use in the homes the different kind of machine, in the business processes, political processes. So it is the embodied form of robots. It is a kind of robots. It will soon drive in the car, self-driven car, stocking the warehouses, what are the different stocks, availability, all the things. Okay, and caring for the young and elderly. What are the different routines? Okay, for the elder and young people, everything should maintain by the AI. So AI is a form of intelligence, a type of technology, and a field of study. AI theory and the development of computer system enable machine to perform the tasks normally require human intelligence. Without human intelligence, they cannot do anything. Human intelligence is included there. Human intelligence will convert it to artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence covers a broad range of domains and applications and is expected to impact every field in the future. Overall, its core idea is building the machines, okay, and algorithms capable of performing computational tasks that would otherwise require human-like brain function. So, artificial intelligence cover a broad range of domain and application, varieties of application covered by AI. Okay, so this is all about what artificial intelligence and how a machine become artificial intelligence. definition given by different organization. Okay, now we come to domains of AI, or yes, AI, ML, and DL. These are the subset of AI. Okay, it is called subset of AI. Machine learning and deep learning. You can see here it is the subset. Okay, artificial intelligence, the whole machine learning is coming inside that, deep learning also coming inside that. So it is treated as the subset of AI. So artificial intelligence refers to any technique that enables computer to mimic human intelligence that you have already experienced. Okay, nowadays we are using that self-driven car, Tesla, different objects also. They are doing the automation, automated washing machine, different things we are using now. So it is gives the ability to machine to recognize a human's face, to recognize a human's voice, to move and manipulate the objects, understand human voice command to do other tasks. The AI-enabled machine think algorithmically and execute what they have been asked for intelligently. That is called what AI is. Okay, very clear. That is what AI is. Then machine learning, it is a subset of AI that I have already told you. It is subset of artificial intelligence that enables machines to improve attacks with experience. Okay, so the machine will be gaining the experience. So how they are gaining the experience? Through the process of, through the help of data. The data will be, proper data will be given to the machine so that machine will experience. The intention of the machine learning is to enable the machine to learn by themselves. They will be learn by themselves using the provided data and make accurate prediction and decision. So the intention of the machine learning, it is very perfect to enable the machine to learn by themselves. They can learn by themselves by using the provided data and make accurate prediction and decision. That is the a subset of AI. Okay, deep learning. Sorry. Then come to deep learning. It is also a subset of AI. So deep learning, it enables software to train itself to perform the tasks with vast amount of data. For machine learning, little amount of data is required. For deep learning, they need vast amount of data. In deep learning, the machine is trained with the huge amounts of data, which helps it in training itself around the data. Okay, so vast amount of data they will take and analyze on this. Based on this data, such machines are intelligent enough to develop algorithm for themselves. Okay, so by using deep learning technology, the machine can develop their own algorithm by using the vast amount of data. Deep learning is the most advanced form of AI out of these three. So whatever we read, three, AI and ML and DL, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Along with this, means among these three, deep learning is the best one, advanced form of intelligence out of these three. Okay, so this is a subset. Remember it. So if the question arises, what is AI? Subset of AI, you will write the answer: AI, machine learning, and deep learning. Okay. So then now the next one, AI domains. There are three domains are there on AI. One is your data science, computer vision, natural language processing. Okay. So what is data science? What is computer vision? And what is NLP? Let me introduce you. Okay. So data science is a domain of AI related to the data system and processes, in which the system will collect the numerous data, maintain the data set, derives the meaning out of them. So now the world is running along with the, means among with the different lots of data is there. Everywhere we are using the different kind of data. That's why to manage the data, to process the data, we need the data science. We can study about this particular data, analyze on this particular data, so to get the better result. That is what data science is. It maintains the data set and derive the meaning out or sense out of them, structured data. The information is extracted through the data science can be used to make a decision about it. There is no unstructured data, there is no unherited data, everything is processed data. Okay, so that we can get the meaningful sense from this and we can make a decision, perfect decision by using the data science. Okay, by using the data sciences. Complete. Now, computer vision. What is that? CV. It is also a domain of AI that depicts the capability of a machine to get, analyze visual information and afterwards predict some decision. So, visual information, the information we can get through visually. The entire process involves image acquiring, screening, analyzing, identifying and extracting the information. That is what computer vision is. This extensive processing helps computers to understand any visual content and act on it accordingly. So the computer vision is all about how we are depicts the capability of a machine to get and analyze the visual information like the graphical units. Okay, suppose we are taking photos, medical imaging system. In medical, different machines are there to capture that internal organs. That is one example of computer vision. We are using Google Lens to capture the text and convert it into your own format. Computer vision. Okay, so these are a lot of examples are there. Face recognition system, like different things are there. We are using their technology, that computer vision technology, to doing this all this works. Okay, here everyone. Now comes to the next one, NLP, natural language processing. So what is this all about? It is a branch of AI, a domain of AI that deals with the interaction between computer and human being. Okay, natural language refers to language that is spoken and written by people. Natural language processing attempts to extract the information from the spoken and written word. Whatever we are writing, whatever we are telling, that should be communicated to the computer. That is what NLP is, natural language processing. So who will be taking care of this is that NLP technology, NLP domain. Okay, it is a branch of AI that deals with the interaction. They will be doing the interaction between the human beings and the computer. We are using different digital assistant, virtual assistant, Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, okay, Cortana. So different assistant are there to helping you take your data, take your voice, take your data and convert it into computer. Okay, this is all about what AI, subset of AI and domain of AI. Now we'll see ethics. What is that AI ethics? It is a system of moral principle and techniques intended to inform the development and responsible use of AI technology. How we are using the technology properly. What are the means we have to follow the guidelines. We have to go in a proper ethics rules. So it is a set of guidelines that advise on the design and outcomes of AI. Human beings come with all sort of cognitive biases. So there's recency, confirmation bias, inherent bias exhibited in our behaviors and subsequently our data. Okay, so we are throwing the data, we are means giving so many unstructured data. The data is not used properly. So we need only structured data, processed data. So that is not comes under the AI ethics. So we have to use a set of guidelines, rules, follow the rules. Okay. AI bias means favoring someone or something. It focuses upon training the machine with unbiased data. Those data is not required. Those data is giving wrong information to the machine. That is AI bias. When biased data is fed to AI machine while creating the model, then the machine will also be biased. Machine will not work properly because data is not whatever the fed data is there, it is not properly. The quality of your model is usually a direct result of the quality and quantity of your data. So quality of your model, how your model will reflect it. If the model is getting the quality and quantity data, then the model will reflect properly. Then data privacy. So generally It means the ability of a person to determine them for themselves when, how, and to what extent personal information about them is shared or with communicate to others. That privacy should be there. Which data will go out, which data will be keeping within you, which data you will share in social media, which data you not share in social media. That is the data privacy. This personal information can be one's name, location, contact information, online, real world behavior, whatever may be. That should be, you will depend upon you. We are going to okay, which data you want to send to the outside, which data you want to keep it with you. AI access, since artificial intelligence still boarding technology, it is going on. Not everyone has the opportunity to access it. So people who can afford AI enabled devices make the most of it, while others who cannot are left behind. Because of this, a gap has emerged between these two classes of people, and it gets widened with the rapid advancement of technology. Everyone is not getting the facility because everyone has not that much what technology savvy we can call it, so that they can access this one. Okay, so slowly the people are learning the things and they are using that access, they're accessing the AI. AI creates unemployment. It is a thing going on now in market, automation market. AI is making people's life easier, but most of things nowadays are done in just a few clicks. In no time, AI will manage to do all the laborious tasks we human have been doing for a long time. Okay, so maybe in the coming years, AI-enabled machine replace all the people who work as laborers. So they can take the people's work and few seconds they have completed. So what you are thinking? Comment me in the comment box. It's really creates unemployment. We are thinking that, so that may start an era of mass unemployment where people having a little or no skill may be left without jobs. Others who keep up with the skill according to what is required will flourish. Okay, so you just go through it. What you are thinking, just give me in the comment box. Okay, AI for kids, as we all know, can see kids nowadays are smart enough to understand technology from a very early age. They are playing game, they are playing Ludo, playing chess, playing different games, and very smartly they are using these phones. Okay, so this is how they're accessing this one in very early age. So as their thinking capability increase, they start becoming techno savvy, that I am telling just before now, and eventually they learn everything more easily than an adult. Okay, because their mind, it is the use of the mind they're using very efficiently, creatively, innovatively, and using this AI technology. So this is all about what AI is. Okay, so in this class, the summary I'm telling, what is intelligence, what is decision making process, then what is AI, subset of AI like machine learning and deep learning, domains of AI like your that one data sciences, computer vision, natural language processing. Okay, then AI ethics, AI bias, data privacy, AI access, AI creates an unemployment, and AI for kids. Okay, this is all about artificial intelligence, and this video is for all who is going to learn AI, and for especially class 10 appearing board. Okay, these are appearing board examination uh, conducted by CBSE board, taken on skill subject as artificial intelligence. Thank you. Have a nice day.